Right, hello everybody. Mike's Fishing Home here with a very quick basic tutorial on how to keep those pesky bots out of your comment section that drop those little like .ru and .whatever or meet sexy singles or whatever. You know, the stupid comments that people see on feeds, links, hashtags, things like that will all be blocked until you approve it if you do this simple thing. Go to your studio, go to community, go to defaults, and you're going to want to check that, and you're going to want to check that. It says hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. And then this one over here is the same thing except for chat. It means people can't be dropping links and special hashtags and whatever else in your chat unless they've been approved or they're a moderator. So it means nobody can come in and just drop a link to any old thing they want or some crazy hashtag or whatever that people might go look up. Same thing with your comments. This one here will hold it in your comment sections. You can even technically make it where you hold all comments for review, but obviously that'd be a pain in the butt. But hey, if you want to go digging that route, you could do that too. That means no comments would ever be on there until you approve them. But if you just hold the potentially inappropriate comments, that'll take care of a lot of that stupid hashtagging and link drops and stuff like that. So once you do that, then you come down here and you would click save. I don't have to because I already have that setting up. But you click save, and from then on, it will protect you against link drops, those weird bot things that come through, and other stuff like that. And it also makes it easy to block those people because when you go to review your comments that did not get posted because they were blocked, you can look at it and see if you actually want to allow it, because sometimes it will be a message and you're like, oh, that actually should be out there, so you can approve it. But if you don't want to approve it and you're like, oh, there goes one of those crazy bots, you can automatically hide that user on the channel right then and there. So there you go. Quick little tutorial there for anybody who wants to get rid of those comments being dropped in their feeds all the time. Nice, quick, easy, and simple. Go to your studio, community, defaults, check those two right there, click save. Take it easy. Hope that helps some people. I know I've seen it on some of their feeds. Maybe they didn't know how to get rid of them without, maybe they just have a headache and go through and delete them all. I don't know. This keeps it from popping up in the first place.